Hello.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum salam, girls. How are you, girls?
Alhamdulillah, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
Alhamdulillah.
How are you, ma'am?
Alhamdulillah. So, shall we start the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, how you all are killing your time? Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, we were on page number.
Page number 70, ma'am.
Who's this? Maria?
Yes, ma'am, Maria.
Yes. See, I am able to recognize your voice also.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. We were very quiet in the class, but each and everybody, I can recognize your voices. Yes. Page number 72, right?
No, ma'am, 17.
No, ma'am, it is 76.
Not 17. It's 7. You have done 72? Everybody, I'll send a screenshot of that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, those who have not done, I'll send this. I'll share the screen. You better can
Okay.
copy it, girls. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
What's this, girls? Page number
Yes, ma'am.
73 or 75, I think, right?
Tell us.
First, all of you look here, page number 74.
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
explain, then you can do it. Okay? Already we did it, but for some of the
Okay,
students those who were
ma'am.
not present in the class, for them, page number 74, water collocations. Okay, this is very, very important. Yes. Collocations. Yeah, collocations. What are collocations? It's a combination of words that are commonly used together. For example, so it's two words together. They are commonly used, like heartbreaking. You have form like this. They have given form. What is that? Handshake. And you have so many besides this annual celebrations. Okay, and you have heartfelt condolences. Then what is that? You have number of collocations. So besides this, just you write some 10 to 20 collocations and you send it on my number, girls. I will evaluate and I'll send it. I'll correct it and I'll forward to you. Okay. So can you hear me, girls? What are collocations? Very, very important. They may ask this in the that is internal exam also. Short answers, as I told you that. So a collocation is a combination of words that are commonly used together. For example, you have pay a visit, bitterly disappointed. Two words will give you some meaning. The language chunks and sounds, narrating, and once learned are easy to remember. You can remember it. It's very easy also. Knowing that words usually go together is an important part of being a competent user of a language. It sounds odd if you were to say hand, that is hard handshake, or give a. So this is when you speak out, you have to be um, somewhat meaningful, or the word should be some um sensible, so that way others will understand. So hard handshake you will not say, you will be telling firm handshake. So that suits some sophisticated vocabulary. So underline the correct collocations from the following options. So you'll say do a mistake or make a mistake.
Make a mistake.
Yes.
Make a mistake.
Yes, make a mistake. So make a difference or bring a difference.
Make a difference.
Which is the correct option? Yes, make a difference. Yes. Then gossip writer, gossip columnist, gossip. Which is
Gossip
the right one? You
columnist.
have to. Yes, gossip columnist. Then do your duty, work your duty.
खेल रहा ना आप पढ़ ले सकते हैं
Do your duty.
Yeah, who is that? Just mute yourself.
एक्चुअली पढ़ना है ही नहीं, खेला खेलना है तो फिर बोलो खेलने के वास्ते छोड़ते
Who
नहीं
is this one, girls? Just mute yourself. Who are those girls who is that shouting? Mute yourself. Mute yourself, girls. So gossip writer, gossip columnist is gossip columnist. Do your duty, work your duty is do your duty. Speak fluent English or speak easy English is speak fluent English. Press an icon or click on icon. What do you say for this? What is the spell? Samina?
Click on
Yes,
icon.
Amina is present.
Sorry.
Amina absent. Can you hear me, girls?
Yes, ma'am, we can.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Sarah Shireen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? How are you? Fine?
Fine, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, you have cold?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. Okay.
No.
So have a conversation or make a conversation? Have a conversation.
Have a conversation.
Yes. Glare at or glare towards, glare at. Opposite statements, contradictory statements.
Contradictory.
Contradictory statements.
So in like this you have same collocations matching, that is column A and column B. So just we'll go through it. That also I'll be sharing now on the screen. Wait. All the classes are going on regularly?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so you copy this, ma. Yes, you have the screen here. Zoom it, and you have this annual celebrations. And here, annual celebrations. Do you have this? What is this annual meeting? Is there annual celebrations? Like that, you have so many. So you can hear according to the words given here. So what it is? Annual meeting, right? Annual turnover or annual meeting. You have so many. You can, uh, if the sentences are given like this or in fill-ups, instead of match the following in the question paper, you have options also. For two options, they will give. If you write either this or that, marks will be given in the uh, key, that is solutions or the key paper given for the model paper. So you have options. Sometimes you are not sure. Sometimes the students they will write either this or that. So we will consider. Okay. Uh, Come on, column A and column B. Annual, what it is? What you have to do is annual, column A you write 1, 2, 3, and column B A B C D, and you match it because they have not given. It will be very confusing, or you can draw the lines. So what is the first one? Annual.
Turnover.
Yes. Second one is chair.
Meeting.
A meeting.
Chair meeting. Yes. Middle.
Management.
Yes. Middle.
A deal. A deal.
Close.
Close a deal, ma'am.
Yes. Very good. Draw a
A
conclusion.
conclusion.
Right.
A
Yes.
conclusion.
Launch.
A
Launch.
product.
Product.
A
A
product.
product.
Very good. Market.
Forces.
Forces.
Sales.
Figures.
Staff.
What is that?
Figures.
Figures, ma'am.
Yes. Layoff.
Staff.
Staff.
Yes.
Staff, ma'am.
Staff, ma'am.
Layoff
Then
staff.
make
A profit.
A
A
profit.
profit.
make a profit. Okay.
Profit.
Next. Right. We'll wait a minute. Wait for 2 minutes. Azan time here. Okay. Meanwhile, you copy these girls. Zoom and you copy just.
This seventh one is buy time.
Finished, girls? Hello?
Ma'am, 10th one, ma'am.
Yes?
10th one, ma'am.
Wait 1 second. Take some time off.
Thank you, ma'am.
Done?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
next is, yes. Next here, words ending with TION and MENT. So it's very easy. Suffixes. So what will come? First one is,
Addition. TION.
yes. Second one,
Invention,
third,
Invention. Management.
management,
fourth one,
ambition,
Ambition.
fifth,
assignment,
Assignment.
sixth one,
emotion.
Emotion.
seventh. Where is seventh one here?
Back of page, ma'am. 76 page number.
Yes. What is this nonsense? They have given like this. Seventh one.
Infection,
Infection.
Okay. Whatever it is, we'll start with 11 only. Align.
Alignment.
alignment,
12th one.
Interruption.
interruption,
13th one.
location,
Location.
14th one.
Embankment.
15th.
obstruction,
Obstruction.
16th.
Shipment.
17th.
Infection.
perception,
18th.
retirement,
Retirement.
19th.
commitment,
Commitment.
20.
fulfillment,
Fulfillment.
7th one.
infection,
Infection.
8th one.
investment,
Investment.
9th one.
assessment,
Assessment.
Assessment. 10th one is,
Duration.
duration.
yes, all these. I mean, most of the time for 20 marks will be very scoring. So he will be giving suffixes also. Suffixes, prefixes, root words. These are very, very, very important. So I have somewhat a 2014, not 2017 question paper, and also other question papers. I will forward 2 hours question paper. You know how it is. Are you aware of 2 hours question paper?
No.
No, ma'am.
I have explained, you know. Part A, part A will be of 20 marks. Same thing, 5 into 4, 20. Answer any 5 out of 8 they will give. Okay? Answer any 4, answer any 5 out of 8. So each bit carries some 4, A, B, C. And the question 1, I have explained all of you in all the classes. That is nutrition class as well as this commerce class. It is that BCom Computers and Generals also have explained how the question paper pattern is. So part A consists of 8, yes, 8 questions, out of which you have to answer any 5. In question 1 you have 4 bits, A, B, C, D. I told you, no.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you seen the, I mean, how I have given the this grand test model paper in grand test?
Yes, ma'am.
Same like that as it is. So you have as directed, answer as directed. They'll give 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D. Then again 1, 2, the second question A, B, C, D. Third question A, B, C, D. Fourth question A, B, C, D. Fifth question also A, B, C, D. Then 7 also. um 8 till 8 questions you will be having as it is. Eighth maybe dialogue writing or conversations and all. Complete the conversation and all. Then you have what is that, soft skills or value orientation they may give. Okay, and then you have questions. Part B, you have to answer any 3 out of 6. You don't have internal choice. They'll be giving questions 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you may have questions like What is this? Exam of life. Is exam of life a pessimistic or optimistic poem? Justify your answer. So each lesson will have two questions. Okay, how many? Each lesson carries two questions. So do you departed two? Exam of life two, and then what you have? One more. How many lessons you have? Yes, happy people. Two questions. Then yes.
Game of life and dear departed.
First one is curve in the
Curve in the
sky.
sky.
So all yes. So they will be asking each lesson two. So at least be prepared three answers of your choice. Okay. Happy people you prepare, or Exam of life you prepare, dear departed you prepare, or what is the first one? Curve in the sky. If you are any one answer, if you are thorough, I gave the summaries, right? One poem also you have now. What is the name of that? Exam of life. So you just be perfect in the exam of life. That for how many stanzas are there? 9 stanzas. If you write that summary, out of 20 marks, definitely you will be getting 17 to 18 marks. Will be. So if you are thorough in that, be thorough of all the stanzas. That summary, stanza-wise summary, each and everything is being explained in that. I hope you all have understood. So in that, if prepare well, first lesson and second lesson, especially that poem Zam of Life, they are asking almost in all the years. You can see that question here. Life is a pessimistic or an optimistic poem, justifier, or the summary of the Zam of Life. Okay, this is continuously being asked. So be thorough, and also the first lesson, that is of curve in the sky. Okay, girls. So be prepared now. Don't waste the time. Anytime they may call for the internal exams to the college. So they will be giving the timetable before you, beforehand. That is particular dates you have. I mean, I think you'll also have practical exams, right? Yes, do you have practicals of which subjects, or first years don't have? I'm not aware of it. Do you have in first, what is that? Computers, what do you have? FIT, do you have? In FIT, do you have, girls?
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
not yet informed, but Janu ma'am said about the practicals.
Yes. So maybe they may be. We are not.
Current
They may announce before. I mean, Ramzan only. I think with the practicals and all. I'm still not aware, but you have a lot of time after the classes. I mean, first year classes started when, ma? In December, no? When did the
Yes,
classes start? In
December
December.
30th.
Yes. Long back, the exams would have been conducted. The fees. Have you paid the fees? Fees date have been announced. First years.
No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Not yet. So within 1 week they may collect the fees and conduct the exams also. Who knows? So meanwhile, after the internals, the exams, still now we are not, I mean, sure when after Ramzan or when before Ramzan. But the classes will be going on as usual. They may start second semester syllabus also. Okay. So you should be ready for the other notebooks also as second semester. Uh, so you'll not have cut off syllabus or like that. Now you have, now also you don't have, I think everything is full, all the 4 units, 5 units, whatever you have in all the subjects. So in English, if you have any doubts in the internal, you can ask. How many of you did not submit the project to work for that 5 marks? Still, how many girls are there? Yes, in BCom and ANZC, how many are there, girls? Still, just raise your hand. How many of them did not submit the project? You can submit through WhatsApp, or you can send me on WhatsApp on my number, not in the group. Yes, girls, raise your hand. How many of you did not submit? Still, you have time. I will give the topic which I have given you in the college, in the class. How many of you did not submit? Otherwise, I'll put 0. You'll be getting. You'll lose 5 marks.
Ma'am, I don't know what in project.
Yeah, Shireen, you did not. I will forward the topic on your number. Then who is it? Sidra Fatima. You also did not submit.
Yes, ma'am.
We should project do in daily notes or borrow separate notes from for project.
No, the students, they have done in the A4 size paper.
Oh.
Okay. So you take A4 size paper. Your presentation should be good. How the other girls have given. You don't think that online submission is there. Okay, I can do it. What is that? As you like it. If you will prepare the project as you wish, the marks will not be given. Most of the girls from all these classes, they have done very well. I have given full marks for them. So girls, how many of you are there still in ANZC? How many of them did not submit? ANZC. Sana Shireen,
Yes, ma'am.
all of them have submitted now. The other day when I asked you, some girls did not submit now. Are you aware of those girls' names?
But they submitted you, ma'am. After that, next day they submitted.
Yeah, I know everybody. So I'm asking whether in ANZC class all of them have submitted or not. If they have not submitted, okay, let them submit. I will evaluate through WhatsApp and I will forward, the marks.
Okay, ma'am. I'll text in our group, WhatsApp group.
Yeah. Just remind them, if still anybody has not submitted the project in the college, you can write and you can forward it to on my number. Don't tell them to submit in the group. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
You give them my personal number, tell them to submit on ma'am's personal number. I will evaluate and just note the marks. And again, when I'll get back to the college, along with the other students, I will allot marks for this. Now they have time. Still, if they'll not submit now, they'll get 0. Definitely, they'll get 0. I'm not responsible. Still, you are getting a chance. Those who have done on time, full marks I have given. Now these people will not get full marks. So only Shireen is Shireen Malkan.
Yes,
You didn't get the topic. Okay. So I'll forward the topic to you, what it is, on your number. Okay. So
ma'am.
now what you have to do is tomorrow, also you have a class, collocations, somewhat 10 to 15 collocations you collect and get it. And also prepare how many soft skill topics are there. Some 4 topics will be there. 4 lessons you have 4 topics. Okay. So first and last lesson topics you prepare and come and you write it without saying in the class, and you submit it. I'll send my email. So on that you submit it without saying. You should be very sincere. Okay. I'll be giving the question. Already you have written the what is that in the class, Exam of Life summary. How many of you did not write in generals and computers? Few students they have written and I have corrected also. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So Exam of Life in ANZC also I told, but few students only have 1 or 2 students have done it, I think. Then the others they did not. They are busy with other classes. So tomorrow, dear departed soft skills and first lesson soft skills. So well begun is half done or something. And what is the last soft skill topic? Dear departed.
Interpersonal skills.
No, ma.
Non-verbal communication and body language.
Okay. So I'll be asking in that you can write in your own words. Interpersonal skills. It's very easy. Interpersonal skills. Nowadays, it is very important to have interpersonal skills and personality development. How to build up your personality. How to have outstanding communication skills, and you should be a good decision maker and problem solver, and you should be able to negotiate with each other very well, and also you have to present by using your body language perfectly. So these are some interpersonal skills which you have to write in your own words, and then you can. So first lesson and last lesson. Tomorrow I'll be giving the time some 10 minutes without saying you write, and I'll forward my email id. You forward on my email id, okay? Afterwards, and then how will you do it without saying how to conduct this for y'all? Come on, girls, let me know how you people want to complete it. The test.
Ma'am, orally we
I
will
will
be
send
saying.
you a number, ma'am. If you
Orally, you want to say? Orally, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Orally, it is
Orally.
orally. With your textbook will be in front, you will be answering. Okay. I'll send the question paper. See, the grammar part. Shall I send the question paper or grammar part? Tomorrow I'll be sharing the screen on the spot. You should do it, and I will answer. I mean, okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it right? Yes. I'll
Yes, ma'am.
prepare it beforehand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then what I will do is that after what is that? I'll share the screen of the question paper. On the spot, you have to do it. Okay. Then we will evaluate how many of you got all right in the grammar from first lesson till last lesson. Is that clear, girls? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes.
Some 20 marks grammar test will be there. I will forward. I will share the screen on the spot. First 10, then next 10. Okay. Are you fine, girls? Everybody?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah, I'll be sharing the screen. Then you have to do it. Then and there itself. Then we'll evaluate that time only. Then again, next 10. Then you have to. I'll give the time for you. Then you do it. Then you have to. Okay. So this is the best thing that I can. From first lesson till the last lesson, the grammar. Some 20 marks selected questions I'll be giving. So you have to answer. Again on Saturday also same thing. Again short answers. Okay. Tomorrow will be the fill-ups. All the fill-ups. Then Saturday. Do you have the class on Saturday?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No
No, I
class.
think only
No,
till
ma'am.
first only they said.
Tomorrow, I think last day.
Yes. Again, new timetable will be given or what? I am not aware of it. Then, if it is so like that, we will see what will happen, or the date of internal will be given to you all, or that will later on. So, tomorrow I will conduct a test of 20 or 30 marks, right? So, what I'll do is that, so when it is a test, so 10 MCQs I will give. Okay, girls, 10 short answers I'll give, and 10 fill ups. Are you, I mean, will you prepare, girls?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, MCQs from where we should learn, ma'am? In textbook, not there, ma'am. MCQs.
No, MCQs are not there, but
Yes,
from
ma'am.
the fill ups, and you have what is that? Fill up the blanks only, I'll give MCQs. Tenses, you have all that, no?
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. So, otherwise, all the fill-ups only and short answers. Okay, some 20 fill-ups and 10 short answers. Okay, short
Yes,
answers.
ma'am.
You know what is a root word, then what is a collocation, what is a tense. Okay, so I'll be giving like that. Is that clear, girls?
Okay, ma'am.
So
Yes,
some
ma'am.
30 marks, yes, 30 marks test will be there. I'll then and there when the class will start, you should be ready to, answer it. I'll share the screen or I will forward. No, I don't want to do it in the group, ma. Just sharing the screen in the class only, then you have to do. Okay, clear? All the girls, I don't hear any reply from other girls, only Maria Kutsya and only few girls. Amina, that's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
present in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Ibros, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Samia is there. Samia?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Samia, are you there? Sakina? Sakina is not there. Yasmin Fatima is there. And from Arshis, I can find Arsh. Fazilat. Fazilat, are you there? Fazilat, not attending the class. Fazilat, no? Yeah, must be there. I don't know what you're doing. Must be sleeping, I think. Salma. Hi, Salma. Salma of nutrition. Yes, Salma is there. Come on. Nutrition girls, raise your hand. Yes, Wajiha, count. Sana, count ma. How many are there? Wajiha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right?
Yes, ma'am, 12.
Very good. Then generals. Generals, how many? Sitting at home also, these girls are not able to attend the class. Generals. Same the strength like in the college.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking so much.
Jumping. Can you hear me now?
Ma'am, you are
Hello?
clear. Yes, ma'am. Your voice is
Clear?
clear.
So how many are there? I'm asking here from the generals. Asima Fatima absent.
Yes.
These general girls from the time they have taken the admission, they don't want to attend the college, I think. Scholars. How many are there? Only 4. Computers. Computers. Oh my god. Maria, you are generals now? Come on, Amina, count the girls, ma.
Including me, 14, ma'am.
Including you.
14.
14, ma'am.
Okay. Clear? Tahniyat. Namira. Lubna is present. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Lubna.
Present. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Present.
Okay, ma. Okay, so 14 girls. So tomorrow be prepared. I'll be conducting the day. So 20 or 30 marks, whatever it is. So when the class starts, 5 minutes time I'll be giving. Then as usual, you should be ready. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Don't, yeah. Yeah, anyhow, it's very nice. Not in the class. Copy में मार सकते बाजू copy रहती. So दन ऐसा लिख लिया मैडम को दे दिए. Okay, it should not be sincere to yourself and try to, attend the test. Okay, okay, girls.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sana. I will be
Yes, ma'am.
forwarding here. This Sana Shireen. I'll forward the notes. What is that of grammar on your number? You circulate in the group, right? Yes. Okay, girls. Take care. Jazakallah khair. Okay. Allah Hafiz.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Allah
Allah Hafiz.
Hafiz.
Okay. Okay. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.